Welcome back. This is the first section of the Health and Physiology Learning module. We'll touch upon physiology, health, drugs, medication, and also alcohol. There are numerous health and physiological factors that impact a pilot's performance, including but not limited to hyperventilation, spatial disorientation, stress and fatigue, very important, dehydration, and heat stroke. We've already touched upon alcohol in the previous section, but we'll go into it a little bit more this time around. Even in small amounts, alcohol can affect your coordination. It can impair your judgment and decrease your sense of responsibility. Alcohol has been known to constrict visual field and may diminish memory. And this last point is very important. Alcohol can reduce reasoning ability and lower your attention span. Prescription medications are an important topic, and it's important to note that any medication that affects the body in a way contrary to safe operations is prohibited. In fact, take no medication unless approved to do so by an FAA-approved medical provider. The point to all this is that pilots need to maintain proper situational awareness, and if medication has a warning label that says do not drive or operate heavy machinery, don't take it.